Welcome to English in Comfort. Get comfortable and let your mind ease into some English practice. Checking into a hotel. While you listen, get comfortable. Maybe you're lying on the couch, sipping tea, or simply unwinding after a long day. Pay attention to their tone, pronunciation, and how they use different phrases. You'll hear natural, everyday English that's perfect for casual conversations. Let's get started.
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to Maplewood Hotel. How can I assist you today?
Hi there, thanks. I have a reservation under the name Liam Carter.
Of course, Mr. Carter. Let me just pull that up for you. Could you please give me a moment?
Sure, take your time.
Here we are. You've booked a standard queen room for 3 nights, correct?
That's right, I booked it online about a week ago.
Perfect. Could I see some ID, please? It's just for verification.
Of course, here you go.
Thank you. Everything seems to be in order. Are you checking in alone today, or will someone be joining you?
Just me this time. It's a short business trip, so I'm keeping things simple.
I see. Well, you've picked a great spot. Our hotel is located close to some fantastic restaurants and shops. If you need recommendations, just let me know.
That's good to know. I might take you up on that later. I've got some free time tomorrow and exploring the area sounds like a good idea.
Absolutely. I'll have some brochures ready for you when you come back down. By the way, your room is on the 3rd floor. It's a quiet area with a lovely view of the park.
Oh, that sounds perfect. I've been traveling all day, so some peace and quiet will be much appreciated.
I completely understand. Traveling can be exhausting. Just to let you know, checkout time is 11 a.m. on your departure day, but if you need a late checkout, we can usually arrange that as long as we're not fully booked.
That's good to know. I'll keep it in mind.
Great. One last thing. Will you need any help with your luggage? I can call the bellhop if you'd like.
Oh no, thank you. I just have this suitcase and it's easy enough to manage.
All right. Well, here's your room key. It's an electronic key card, so just tap it against the reader on your door. Also, if you'd like to connect to our Wi-Fi, the network name and password are printed on this card sleeve.
Thanks, that's helpful. Is there anything else I need to know?
Let's see. Yes. Breakfast is served in the dining area from 7 to 10 a.m., and coffee and tea are available in the lobby 24/7.
That's great to hear. I'll definitely be grabbing some coffee later. Thank you, Emily. I appreciate your help.
Wonderful. Well, if you need anything else, don't hesitate to call the front desk. Have a great stay, Mr. Carter. All right, Mr. Carter, before we finalize everything, let's go over your reservation details to make sure everything is correct.
Sure, that sounds good.
So, you've booked a queen room for 3 nights, starting today, and your checkout date is Wednesday, correct?
Yep, that's right.
Perfect. And just to double-check, you booked through our website, didn't you?
I did, yes. I think I also requested a room on a higher floor, if that's still available.
Let me check for you. Yes, I see the note here. You prefer a room on a higher floor. We've got you on the 3rd floor, which is our highest floor, so you're all set.
That's great. Thanks for keeping that in mind.
Of course. Now, about the room, you'll have a queen-sized bed, complimentary Wi-Fi, and a lovely view of the park. Do you have any other preferences or needs for your stay?
Not really, no. But out of curiosity, do you have blackout curtains in the rooms?
Yes, we do. All our rooms are equipped with blackout curtains. We know how important a good night's sleep is, especially for our guests who are traveling.
Oh, that's good to know. I might actually sleep in tomorrow after today's long trip.
I don't blame you. Traveling can take a lot out of you. By the way, would you like us to schedule a wake-up call for you at any point during your stay?
I don't think I'll need one for now, but I'll let you know if I change my mind.
Sounds good. And just to confirm, your booking includes our complimentary breakfast. It's served daily in the dining hall on the ground floor from 7 to 10 a.m.
Great, thanks. Breakfast is included then?
That's correct. You'll find a mix of hot and cold options, eggs, pastries, fresh fruit, and more. It's a buffet-style setup, so you can take your time and enjoy.
That sounds perfect. I'll definitely be checking that out in the morning.
Wonderful. One more thing. Do you have a car with you? We offer complimentary parking for our guests, but I didn't see anything noted here about a vehicle.
No, I don't have a car. I took a taxi from the airport and I'll probably use public transport or walk around while I'm here.
That's a great idea. We're within walking distance of some really nice places. If you'd like, I can give you a map with some recommendations for restaurants and shops nearby.
That would be really helpful, thanks.
Of course, I'll get that ready for you before you head to your room. Oh, and just to wrap this up, your payment was made in full at the time of booking, so you don't have to worry about anything during your stay unless you add room service or any extras.
Got it. And what's your policy on room service, by the way?
Room service is available from 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. We have a menu in your room, and you can call directly from the in-room phone. If there's anything specific you're craving, our staff will do their best to accommodate.
Nice. That might come in handy.
Great. I think that's everything for now. Here's your key card again, and if you need anything at all, just give us a call or come back to the front desk.
Will do. Thanks for making this so easy, Emily.
My pleasure, Mr. Carter. Enjoy your stay with us. Oh, Mr. Carter, before you head up, do you have any specific preferences regarding your room? I want to make sure it's exactly what you need.
Actually, now that you mention it, I do have a couple of quick questions.
Of course. Go ahead.
First, about the bed. I know the reservation says a queen-sized bed, but just to confirm, it's a true queen, and not one of those smaller European ones, right?
Great question. Yes, it's a standard queen-sized bed, very spacious and comfortable. We actually updated all our mattresses last year, so they're new and supportive.
Perfect. Nothing worse than a bad mattress when you're traveling.
I completely agree. A good night's sleep is so important.
Also, you mentioned earlier that the room has a view of the park, right? Is it a full view or more of a partial one?
It's a full view. Your room faces directly toward Maplewood Park, so you'll get plenty of natural light and a lovely view of the trees. It's especially nice in the morning with the sunrise.
That sounds amazing. I'm looking forward to seeing it.
You'll love it, especially if you're a fan of greenery and open spaces.
I am, actually. And what about noise levels? I know I'm on the 3rd floor, but is it quiet up there?
Yes, it's one of our quieter floors. Most of the families with young children stay on the 1st or 2nd floors, so the 3rd floor tends to attract solo travelers and business guests like yourself.
That's good to hear. I was a bit worried about noise, but it sounds like it won't be an issue.
Not at all. And the park-facing rooms are usually quieter since they're away from the street.
That's a relief. Oh, and one last thing. Does the room have a mini fridge?
It does. All our rooms come with a mini fridge, a coffee maker, and complimentary bottled water. If you need more water or anything else, just let us know, and we'll have it sent up.
Great, that'll be handy. Sometimes I like to grab snacks or drinks from a nearby store and keep them in the fridge.
Absolutely. There's actually a small grocery store just a block away if you need anything during your stay.
That's good to know. I might stop by there later.
Sounds like a plan. And if you need any extra amenities like more towels, pillows, or even a microwave, just let us know. We'll be happy to accommodate you.
You have microwaves available?
Yes, we do. They're not in the rooms by default, but we can bring one up if you'd like.
I'll keep that in mind. Thanks for letting me know.
No problem at all. Oh, and speaking of amenities, did you know about our pillow menu?
Pillow menu? What's that?
It's a little extra touch we offer. If you prefer a specific type of pillow, like memory foam, hypoallergenic, or even a firmer option, you can choose one, and we'll send it up to your room.
That's impressive. I think I'll stick with the standard ones for now, but I might give that a try if I feel like switching things up.
Just let us know. We want to make your stay as comfortable as possible.
Thanks, Emily. You've been really helpful. I think I'm good to go now.
My pleasure, Mr. Carter. I'll make a note of everything we discussed to ensure you're taken care of. If you need anything else, don't hesitate to stop by or give us a call.
Will do. Thanks again. Oh, hi.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm Daniel from the front desk. Emily asked me to bring up a map of the area and some brochures for you.
Oh, great. Thanks so much. Come on in.
Thank you. Here you go. The map highlights some popular spots nearby, including restaurants, shops, and walking trails. The brochures give more details about what's available.
This is perfect. I was thinking of exploring tomorrow, so this'll save me a lot of time.
Glad to hear that. If you're into coffee, there's a little cafe just around the corner called the Bean House. They've got amazing lattes, and their pastries are pretty popular, too.
That sounds exactly like my kind of place. Thanks for the tip, Daniel.
No problem at all. If you need more suggestions, just let us know.
I will. By the way, the room looks great so far. The view is even better than I expected.
The park view is one of our most requested features. It's especially nice in the mornings. Did you notice the little seating area by the window? It's a great spot to relax with a cup of coffee or read.
I did, yeah. I can already tell I'm going to make good use of that.
That's what it's there for. Oh, and just a quick heads up. If you plan on using the air conditioning or heater, the controls are right here on the wall. They're easy to use, but let me know if you run into any issues.
Thanks for pointing that out. I was actually wondering about the thermostat.
No problem. And one more thing. If you're planning on ordering room service, the menu is here on the desk. You can call directly using the room phone, and they'll bring everything right up to you.
Got it. I'll keep that in mind.
Great. If there's nothing else you need right now, I'll let you settle in.
Actually, before you go, what's the Wi-Fi situation? Emily mentioned it earlier, but I didn't catch all the details.
Sure thing. The network name and password are printed on this card sleeve here. Just connect to the network, and you're good to go. If you have any trouble, give us a call, and we'll sort it out for you.
Perfect, thanks. And thanks again for bringing this up.
My pleasure, sir. Enjoy your stay.
Front desk, this is Emily speaking. How can I assist you?
Hi, Emily. It's Liam Carter, the guest who just checked in.
Oh, hi, Mr. Carter. Is everything all right with your room?
Almost perfect, actually. The room's great, and the view is fantastic. But I noticed the bedside lamp isn't working.
Oh no, I'm so sorry about that. Let me see what we can do to fix it. Did you check if the lamp is plugged in? Sometimes the cleaning staff moves things around while tidying up.
Good question. I actually did check that. The plug seems fine, but the lamp just won't turn on.
Got it. It could be the bulb. I'll send someone from maintenance up right away to take a look. Would now be a good time?
Yeah, that works for me. I'll be here for the next hour or so.
Perfect. I'll let them know. In the meantime, is there anything else I can help you with?
Actually, yes. While I have you on the line, I noticed there's a little booklet on the desk with information about the hotel, but I couldn't find anything about laundry services. Do you offer that?
Yes, we do. We have both self-service laundry and full-service options. The self-service machines are on the second floor, and they're available 24/7. If you'd prefer full service, just fill out the form in the closet, leave your items in the laundry bag provided, and housekeeping will take care of it.
That's good to know. And how long does the full service option usually take?
It depends on the time of day, but generally, if you leave your items before 10 a.m., you'll get them back the same evening.
That's convenient. Thanks for explaining that.
No problem at all, Mr. Carter. I'll let maintenance know about the lamp right now, and someone should be there shortly.
Perfect. I appreciate it. Thanks again. Talk to you later.
Anytime. Enjoy your stay, and don't hesitate to call if you need anything else.
Hi there. You must be from maintenance.
Hi, that's right. I'm Alex. I'm here about the bedside lamp issue you reported.
Yeah, thanks for coming up so quickly. It's just not turning on, even though it's plugged in.
No problem at all. Let me take a look. Mind if I come in?
Of course, come on in.
Thanks. Which lamp is it?
It's the one on the right side of the bed, near the window.
Got it. Let's see what's going on here. All right, first things first. Let's check the bulb. Sometimes it's just a loose connection. Nope. Not the bulb. Let me try swapping it out just to be sure.
Do you always carry spare bulbs with you?
Oh yeah. It's one of the most common issues we deal with, so I always keep a few extras in my toolkit. Interesting. If it's not the bulb, it could be the wiring in the lamp itself.
Is that something you can fix here, or do you need to replace the whole lamp?
It depends. Let me check the cord and see if there's any visible damage. Nope, the cord looks fine. It's probably an internal issue with the lamp. In this case, it's faster to just replace it. While I'm here, is everything else in the room working okay?
So far, so good. The AC works, the Wi-Fi is solid, and the view is amazing.
That's great to hear. The park view rooms are definitely a favorite among guests.
Yeah, Emily mentioned that too. It's probably the most relaxing hotel view I've ever had.
Glad you're enjoying it. Let's give this one a try.
There we go. That's perfect. Thanks for taking care of that.
No problem at all. Anything else you'd like me to check while I'm here?
Actually, now that you mention it, the shower head looks a bit loose. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like that or if it's something that needs fixing.
Good catch. Let me take a quick look at it. Yeah, it's a little loose, but nothing major. I can tighten it up for you right now. There we go. Shouldn't wobble anymore.
That's awesome. Thanks again, Alex. You've been super helpful.
Anytime. If anything else comes up during your stay, just let us know.
Will do. Have a good one.
You too. Enjoy your stay, Mr. Carter.
Hi there. That smells incredible.
Good evening, sir. Your dinner is ready. May I bring it inside for you?
Of course, come on in.
Here we go. Grilled salmon with lemon dill sauce, mashed potatoes, asparagus, and of course, the chocolate lava cake with ice cream. And your sparkling water is right here.
This looks amazing. Thanks for bringing it up so quickly.
My pleasure. Is there anything else I can get for you, like extra cutlery or napkins?
I think I'm all set, but I'll let you know if I need anything.
Sounds good. Oh, and just a quick tip. The lava cake is best enjoyed while it's still warm, so maybe save room for dessert right after dinner.
Got it. Good to know. Are the desserts here always this fancy?
They are. Our chef takes desserts very seriously. The lava cake is one of our signature dishes. Guests rave about it all the time.
I can see why. The presentation alone is impressive.
It's all about the little details, right? By the way, if you're planning on exploring tomorrow, we have a breakfast buffet from 7 to 10 a.m. It's a great way to start the day, and it's included with your stay.
Oh, I didn't know that. Thanks for letting me know. What kind of options are at the buffet?
There's a bit of everything. Scrambled eggs, pancakes, fresh fruit, pastries, yogurt, and even a made-to-order omelet station.
That sounds perfect. I'll definitely check it out.
Great. And if you'd rather have breakfast in your room, just let us know. We can bring up a tray for you.
Good to know. I think I'll try the buffet tomorrow, though. It sounds too good to miss.
You won't regret it. Well, if there's nothing else, I'll let you enjoy your meal.
Actually, before you go, what's your favorite dish on the menu?
Oh, that's a tough one. I'd have to say the steak with garlic herb butter. It's cooked perfectly every time, but the salmon you ordered is definitely a close second.
Good to know. Maybe I'll try the steak tomorrow night.
Excellent choice. Enjoy your dinner, Mr. Carter. Just give us a call if you need anything.
Will do. Thanks again, Mia.